China has now developed a Chinook-style helicopter of its own, clearly inspired by the iconic US Boeing CH-47 Chinook, but with a distinctly modern and strategic twist. Unlike the American platform, China's version has emerged, first as an unmanned system, reflecting Beijing's rapidly growing focus on autonomous aerospace technologies. The most prominent example is the T-1400 tandem-rotor heavy-lift helicopter drone, developed by the United Aircraft Group and publicly showcased at the Singapore Airshow. At first glance, the T-1400 uses a tandem-rotor configuration featuring two large rotors, one at the front and one at the rear, with no tail rotor, mirroring the Chinook's distinctive layout. This configuration is not accidental. Tandem rotors provide greater stability, higher lift efficiency, and better weight distribution, making them ideal for heavy lift operations. Long regarded as a uniquely American capability, the Chinook's tandem rotor concept is now being explored by China, starting with an uncrewed platform and potentially paving the way for future manned variants. The T-1400 completed its maiden flight in late October 2025, marking an important milestone in China's rotary-wing development. The aircraft is designed for a wide range of missions. These include cargo transport, agricultural operations, forest fire response, emergency logistics, and potential military resupply roles. It is engineered to operate in challenging environments, where endurance, reliability, and reduced risk to personnel are critical. According to reported specifications, the T-1400 has a maximum takeoff weight of around 1,400 kilograms, with a payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms. It offers an endurance of up to 8 hours, a range of approximately 900 kilometers, a service ceiling near 6,500 meters, and a maximum speed of about 180 kilometers per hour. While the T-1400 is not a direct replacement for the manned CH-47 Chinook, which can lift 10 to 12 tons externally and transport 30 to 55 troops, it represents a scaled-down, autonomous interpretation of the same concept. At present, China does not operate a manned, tandem-rotor heavy-lift helicopter, equivalent to the Chinook. Instead, it relies on platforms such as the Harbin Z8 family, derived from the French SA-321 Super Freeland. The Z8 uses a conventional, single-main rotor and tail rotor configuration, and can carry around 5 tons of payload or 27 to 30 troops, but it lacks the efficiency and lift advantages of tandem rotor designs. The emergence of the T-1400 underscores China's growing emphasis on autonomous logistics systems, which could become game-changing for PLA operations, especially in denied or high-risk zones where crewed aircraft would be vulnerable. As global attention increasingly turns toward China's rapid aerospace progress, from autonomous helicopters to fifth-generation fighter aircraft, the T-1400 stands as another clear sign that Beijing is accelerating development across multiple domains, reshaping how future military and civilian logistics could be conducted. Jetline Marvel is excited to announce its first coloring book for kids aged 10 and above. With brilliant designs, it sparks curiosity and creativity, while teaching young minds about airplanes. Copies are now available for purchase on Amazon. Share your reviews and let us know what you think about the book.